guys, good day. This is Medeco Euro cylinders, and I got an issue for this sense about this two types. The other one has an easy C-clip, which can be removed and can be returned easily. The clip, all you have to do is just take it out, by pushing it down. You can return it back the easy way. Alright, so there is no issue with this one. Previously they introduced this full circle clip for the Medeco, and like this one, when I have a troubleshooting it, like it has a broken cam or maybe a repair on the coupler, then the problem is this full circle. I don't have material now. I would like to think a way to reuse it back and how to remove it without destroying it from a Euro cylinder, and that's what I'm gonna teach you, because I was thinking as a common locksmith, well, you don't have to buy all these materials for this expensive Medeco if you just want to replace the cam and try to remove it without destroying, still intact as a round clip. Then I will show you how it can be done. Alright, there are two full circle clip on that side, and what the company did is that they crimp this on this side here, both sides, so it hits on the neck of this core. So in order to remove it, you have to turn it back, turn it around, penetrating through the neck of this core. You have to turn it. You already removed the pin and the spring, everything. So okay friends, now this is the technique to remove this full ring clip without damaging it. Is that now if you have like this crimping tools, well, it's a little bit easier to make it loose. Okay, after that, I think this can be removed now because it's become already loose on the neck of this core. Yes, now you see that? So the full circuit clip is still intact. So you can repair it, you can replace this, you can repair if this is defective, you can repair also the coupler, and then you can return it back. Just bring this quite in a full circle. Alright, now that is ready to be reinstalled back. So Okay, so that is one way to remove this pole circle clip without damaging it. Thanks for watching, folks, and good day. And I hope fellow locksmith, especially the common locksmiths which has no much tools, can remove this pole circle ring of Medeco, and they can troubleshoot the trouble when this is broken or the coupler need to be repaired. Okay, folks, thanks for watching and good day.